Hello students, open your English textbook on page number 60. We are going to learn grammar part, that is part of a sentence, objects. Okay, read these sentences. The cricketers are carrying their bats. See the question. What are the cricketers carrying? Bats. See, the cricketers are carrying their bats. Bats is the answer. Okay. See next. The birds is bringing the food. What is the birds bringing? The food is the answer. Now, listen students. Bats are the objects or things. Cricketers are carrying. Food is the object or thing. Birds is bringing. Both the word bats and food are objects in the sentences. Means we can say that when we ask the question what to the sentence, we can get object. Okay. See the next page. Sentences have three parts: subject, predicate and object. Remember this student. One sentence have three parts. First is subject, second one is predicate and third one is object. Remember, all the sentences have a subject and predicate. But every sentence need not have an object. Means sometimes sentences have object. Sometimes there is no need of an object in sentence. For example, this dog barks loudly. Here is no object. Understood? See, next. A. Look at the picture. See, here is a picture of one shop where this uncle sells mithai, okay, sweets. Now read the answers given below to complete the questions. Means here we have answers. We have to prepare questions. For example, question: what is Rahul holding? Rahul is holding an umbrella. Okay. Next, we have to prepare question. What dash the shopkeeper dash? Answer is the shopkeeper is counting money. So, we have to write here is and here counting. Means our question is like, what is the shopkeeper counting? Understood? Next. Answer is Mrs. Kumar is opening her purse. Okay. Then what is the question? What is Mrs. Kumar opening? Understood? See the next page. Question third. Answer. Reena is eating an ice cream. Question. What is Reena eating? Okay. See next. Match the sentences with their objects. One is done for you. The shopkeeper is keeping the things. Priya is wearing her new dress. Sachin is holding the badge. Ranu is watching the TV. Parrots eat green chilies. Okay. Next part, apostrophe. Apostrophe means what? We will see now. Okay. Read this sentence. Atul, Manish and Seema are in Ravi's house. In this sentence, Ravi's house tells that house belongs to Ravi. This comma. Okay. This is called apostrophe. Okay. This is the sign of apostrophe. And it shows which thing belongs to that person, that someone. Okay. Look at the pictures and answer the question. Whose horse is this? See, Raja. It is Raja's horse. Means horse belongs to Raja. Here we add apostrophe S. Question. Whose ball is this? It is Rina's ball. So we add apostrophe S here. Okay. Whose bicycle is this? It is Tina's bicycle. So we add apostrophe S. Next. Whose monkey is this? It is Mr. Roy's monkey. So we add apostrophe S. Whose cart is this? It is Jitu's cart. So we add apostrophe S. Okay. Now next, reading and writing skill. 1 child, 3 children. Some words change when they become more than one. Okay. Match the one with its more than one. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Woman, women. Man, men. These singular and plural form you have to write in your notebook and you have to learn also. Understood? See, next, match the names with correct sets of the words given below. Animals. Which are the animals? Lion, camel, giraffe, zebra. So, animals. Okay. Apple, grapes, pineapple, banana. These names of fruits. So, write here fruits. Okay. Car, scooter, bus, truck. All related to vehicles. So, write here vehicles. Okay. Table, chair, desk, bed. All related to furniture. So, write here furniture. Okay. And all these things related to toys. So, write toys. Okay. See the next page. Read this sentence and put apostrophe at the correct place. The girls, here we add apostrophe, are looking at Rina's. So, after A, we put apostrophe Rina's book. Puneet's after T. Okay. These are rubies after Y. My friends after D. We have to put apostrophe. See, here is some words which we have to put in the fill in the blanks and write the para. My mother is very beautiful. She loves me a lot. She takes care of the whole family. She cooked delicious food for me. She helped me to complete my homework. She teaches me English and mathematics. She plays with me in the evening. My mother is the best. We all should love and care for our mothers. Students, this paragraph also you have to write in your notebook and send me photocopy. Thank you.